Understanding Reductio ad Absurdum, a logical dive. Hello and welcome. Today, we're exploring a fascinating concept called Reductio ad Absurdum. This phrase might sound complex, but don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it effectively in arguments and discussions. Reductio ad Absurdum is a powerful tool in logic, philosophy, and even everyday conversations. Reductio ad absurdum is a Latin term that translates to reduction to absurdity. It's a logical argument technique where you prove a statement is false by showing that a false, absurd, or contradictory result follows from its acceptance. In simpler terms, it means demonstrating that a certain belief leads to a ridiculous or impossible conclusion, thus proving the original belief is not true. This technique has been used since ancient times, especially by Greek philosophers like Socrates, who was known for using it to expose the inconsistencies in his opponent's arguments. Today, it's used in mathematics, law, and debate, showcasing its versatility and effectiveness in proving a point by highlighting the absurdity of the counter-argument. To better understand Reductio ad absurdum, let's look at a practical example. Imagine someone claims that all birds can fly. By using Reductio ad absurdum, you could point out that penguins are birds but cannot fly. This leads to the absurd conclusion that penguins must not be birds if we follow the original claim, which we know is not true. Therefore, the original statement must be false. Using Reductio ad absurdum effectively requires a keen sense of logic and a bit of creativity. The key steps involve 1. Identifying the argument you want to refute. 2. Assuming the argument is true. 3. Logical reasoning to an absurd or false conclusion. 4. Demonstrating this conclusion to argue that the original premise must be false. It's important to use this technique responsibly and ethically, ensuring that the absurdity is genuinely a result of the original statement and not a misrepresentation. And that wraps up our journey through Reductio ad absurdum. This logical strategy is more than just an interesting phrase. It's a powerful tool for dissecting arguments and uncovering the truth. Whether you're engaging in a friendly debate or analyzing a complex philosophy, remember the power of reducing arguments to absurdity. We hope this video has shed some light on this intriguing concept. Happy thinking, and see you in our next video.